This edit is called Dive In. This is the July glossy box. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. The lighting is really bad, I do apologise. I have literally just broken my tripod. I am gutted. Like, me thing that holds my iPad, because I film on my iPad, has snapped. I can't believe it. I'm still in a state of shock, but never mind. So you are currently balancing on a box. But today's video is this. So this is the July glossy box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and oh my god, that's lovely. Look at that. My YouTube family, I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. That is absolutely stunning. So the main box itself is like a matte navy blue colour, and then the lid is fabulous. Like, is that coral, undersea coral in a shell? Oh my god, I'm in love with the box. Add this little note here as well. This box is gifted to me. I get a box every month from GlossyBox to do an unboxing on my channel, but please rest assured, this does not buy a good review from me in the slightest. I also do buy this box every month myself with my own money, which I'll get later on in the month. But yeah, all thoughts and opinions are my own. Let's just open it up if I can. And here, it's looking a bit sorry for itself. I think my box has been a bit battered in the post. But we have the card. This is the edit card. So we scan this on our phones and it takes you to a digital card which has information on all the products in here. This edit is called Dive In. Let's have a little sneak peek at what's actually in here. And if you are interested in getting this box, it's $13.25, I believe, per month. And I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box along with my code. If you use my code, you'll get your first ever box for £10, which is a great little saving. Right, so there's a sneak peek. Not a very good one, but let's have a proper dig through. Totally forgot we'll have to scan the card first, Joanne. Okay, unfortunately it's not working. It says that the page isn't found. This happened on last month's box as well. I don't know if there's some kind of fault or something. Okay, so we're left to our own devices, so you'll have to bear with me. We'll just go through everything one by one and I'll read the information that's actually on the product. So the first thing that's caught my attention is this. So this is by the brand Brave New Hair. When I first saw this, I thought, oh no, not a shampoo or a conditioner, because I like to have a pair, as if you are a regular watcher on my channel, you already know this, but it's not, thank goodness, it is not. So this is a leave-in scalp tonic, soothing and moisturising. Oh, with AHAs, fermented aloe, hyaluronic acid and prebiotic. What is my husband doing down there? Is he demolishing the kitchen? We'll try and ignore that. I do apologise for the noise. Oh my goodness. Okay, that sounds really interesting. I actually can't wait to try that. What does it smell like? I don't think I can smell anything unless my nose isn't working. I don't know. But really happy to get a leave-in tonic for my hair. I love trying hair stuff. Next product I have is this. So we have a little nail varnish and it is by Nails Inc. It just says, be your incredible self with Nails Inc. London. This is in the shade Mayfair Lane. I think I've received this before. I don't know with what box. I cannot remember. But it's very nice colour. It's like a baby pinky kind of colour. Very nice. Unfortunately, I've kind of moved on to gel polishes now. I'm really loving Madam Glam gel polishes. I will link a playlist here with all the gel polishes that I've played with, so check that out if you're interested. But no, it's very nice to get. I wonder if I can put that on and then put a gel topper on top of it. Interesting, I'll have to check that out. Next we have this. So I'm presuming it's a nail file. Let's just open it up. I'll look at it there. Yes, it is a nail file. This is by Glitterbelsand it's the UK's #1 training provider for aspiring nail technicians. Start your journey today with glitterbels.com. Okay, I was actually in need of a new nail file, so coming very, very useful indeed. Fourth product we have in the box is this. Please don't let it be liquid lipstick. Oh, fantastic. So this is by the brand Elf and it is a lip plumping lip gloss. Fantastic. I do prefer a gloss over a liquid lipstick, if I am honest. This is in the shade Mauve Lady Dame, or Lady Dame Mauve, however which way you want to say it. Oh, look at that. What a lovely, lovely shade. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. I can't wait to try that out. I'm going to try that in the morning, I think. Yeah, really, really like that. Product we have is this. So this is by the brand Josephine, and it is an eyeliner. Okay, it's a waterproof eyeliner in the shade Meet Jolie. Okay, let's see what shade Meet Jolie is. Okay, so it is a felt tip one. That is very, very black. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Not really into liners. I don't wear them very often. I have tried and I will keep trying. Oh, it's got a ball in there so you can mix it up. But that one actually looks okay. But as I say, I'm not really into eyeliner. I have been trying to get into the world of eyeliners and I am struggling. But it does look like a really nice one. I'll have to give this one a try and see if this one works any better, but we shall see. The very last product we have is this. So this has no brand on it at all. Like there's nothing on it at all. So I don't know what brand it's from. I'm presuming it's for when your hair's wet and you brush it through a wet brush or something like that. Yes, I can't really say anything on that because there's nothing on there to read. But it looks cute, I suppose. Yeah, we'll have to give it a try and see how nice and gentle it is on the hair. Right guys, so just a little summary of the products that we have got this month. So we have what looks like to me a little wet brush. We have an eyeliner. We have a plumping lip gloss. We have a nail file, we have a nail polish, and we have a hair tonic. We have 6 products there. What do you think of the Dive In box? Personally, I really quite like this box. I must say it's very, very unusual not to get any skincare products in here, but I'm not disappointed about it at all. I actually really, really like the products in here. There's not one product in there that really stands out and screams I'm the star of the show by any means, don't get me wrong, but each product within themselves is pleasant enough. Yes, I know this box is gifted to me, but I do also pay for this box monthly as well, so I'll be getting that later on in the month. But yeah, I do feel that once I get my box that I've got my money's worth. So yeah, I'm not disappointed. I'm very, very happy about this box. Let's do a giveaway actually for my box when it comes. To be in with a chance of winning, I will pick a random comment from this video. So down below, just write down what your favourite product is in the box and just comment on there, make me a winner. Also subscribe to my Instagram as well. Subscribe? Follow me on Instagram as well. But yeah, once I get my box, I'll pick the winner and we'll do an announcement for that. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.